How to turn off auto brightness on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can turn off auto brightness on your iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, to basically turn off auto brightness on iPhone, if you have enabled auto brightness, you won't find it the option to actually disable it or maybe enable it from here. So what you have to do is simply open up settings. Now you also won't find inside this display and brightness section. In case you're wondering, you can see it's not here. So what we instead need to do is simply scroll down to the accessibility tab. Now once you go to accessibility, from here you can go to display and text size, and from here if you scroll down you can see auto brightness. So all you have to do is just turn off auto brightness from here. This way you can turn on or off auto brightness on iPhone. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.